Welcome back to Motorcycle Vision. My name is Steve. Today, I was wondering about strange habits and customs that motorcycle riders seem to have. First one that comes to mind is the wave. What exactly does that wave mean? I mean, I even see I'm doing it. People are waving at me, and I'm waving back at them. I don't exactly know the meaning of the wave. They don't know me. I don't know them. But I'm doing the wave back. You're not sure what I'm talking about? It's when you let go, your left hand lets go of the bars, and you almost make like a peace symbol, but you let your hand point down at the ground. And oncoming bikers do it to you, and you do it to them. I don't exactly know the meaning. I think it's something to do with like brethren. You know, it's kind of like these are my brothers and my sisters. They're riding a motorcycle just like I am, and there's like an acknowledgement or something like that. I think that's what it is. Either that or I've met a lot of people and I have no recollection of it. Number two is I've seen motorcycle riders who share a parking space. In a lot of ways, because you're taking up more space, it seems like it's safer. But I don't think I would do that unless I knew the person I was sharing the parking space with, and I wouldn't appreciate it if a person shared a space with me and I didn't know them either. Next biker custom that I've seen is people standing around looking at each other's bike, complimenting them. I like that. I mean, I think it's really nice. I look at other people's bikes. I feel great when somebody compliments my bike. They tell me, it's a beautiful bike. I feel great about it. But I look at other people's bikes also. I'm curious what they're like, what it's different. I'm sure they're curious about mine. I also take some ideas. You know, like I think I have leather bags on the side of mine. I'd rather have solid bags, but I'd like to see what they look like on somebody else's bike. Along with that idea, though, you can compliment my bike all you like, and I'll compliment yours, but don't touch my bike. That seems to be a thing for everybody. Don't touch my bike without me asking. And I understand. I mean, for me, my fear is that somebody's going to drop my bike. I don't even want to drop my bike, much less I want you to drop my bike. Another custom that I just thought about. Do you ever notice whenever a motorcycle goes under an overpass, a bridge, a tunnel, we rev? I do it too. I don't know why everybody does it. I mean, for me, my personal reason is it sounds really cool. But I thought that was a me thing. I didn't think that was a thing that everybody did. Speak of the devil, look what's ahead. And so, just like everyone else, it does sound so cool. I'm sorry, but it does sound so cool. Say what you want. Well, everybody, short and sweet today, but my name is Steve. You're watching Motorcycle Vision. Every week I try to put out one of these videos, so I hope you'll hit like, I hope you'll hit subscribe, and hit the alert button so you know when I publish something again next time. Take care, ride safe, see you on the next ride. Bye-bye.